Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Gen Artify. First, you will open the Gen Artify application or navigate to its online portal. Once loaded, you will see a prominent text field, which is where you enter your creative instructions. Simply type a description of the image you wish to generate, like a serene mountain landscape at sunset. Then, click the Generate button to begin the creative process, watching your vision come to life in mere moments. To truly master Gen Artify, focus on detailed prompt construction. Instead of a dog, try a fluffy golden retriever sitting in a sunlit field, painted in an impressionistic style. Specify artistic movements, color palettes, or even camera angles. For instance, you could ask for a high-angle shot of a futuristic city at night. Adding these specifics helps the system understand your exact artistic intent, leading to more visually striking and accurate images, often in under 10 seconds. Gen Artify offers a powerful suite of customization options beyond just the prompt. You can select from a wide array of artistic styles, such as digital painting, watercolor, or photorealistic. Before generating, consider setting your desired aspect ratio, perhaps 16:9 for a widescreen image or 1:1 for a square social media post. Additionally, use the negative prompt feature to tell the system what you absolutely do not want to see in your image, ensuring a cleaner output. Sometimes, your initial generation might be a great starting point, but not quite perfect. Do not hesitate to generate several versions from the same prompt. You often find a hidden gem among them. Gen Artify also allows you to remix an existing image by adding new prompt details or adjusting a parameter. This is incredibly useful for making small, targeted changes. You can also use the built-in refinement tools to adjust brightness, contrast, or saturation after the image is created, achieving that final polished look.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.